So what happens to your credit when you file bankruptcy? Does your score go to 0? How fast are the credit reporting agencies notified? Stay tuned for our next video for more information. So this question comes up, of course, a lot when I'm consulting with consumers about filing for bankruptcy. And of course, it's a valid question, is what is this going to do to my credit? Now, probably for about 99% of the folks that I'm consulting with, their credit is already in the toilet. They've already missed payments for 90 days, they could be in foreclosure, their car got repossessed. So at this point, we're really talking about apples and oranges. Filing bankruptcy is actually not gonna do too much to your credit if it's already way down. Now, of course, if you have perfect credit and you just have to file because you're about to go off the debt cliff, so to speak, of course, you're gonna have a dramatic drop in your credit score. However, I think one of the most shocking things for our clients is how fast their credit rebuilds after they come out of their bankruptcy. Now for our Chapter 7 clients, they're only in the bankruptcy maybe 4 or 5 months. But the good thing is, as soon as you file for bankruptcy, your creditors have to stop reporting negative information. And from that point going forward, your credit score is going to start rebuilding. Now, my rule of thumb, which I always tell clients, is in about 12 months, your credit should actually be back up to what's considered good, average. But if you give it another 12 months and you've taken the appropriate steps to where you're rebuilding your credit, you're paying your bills on time, you should easily be able to get your credit score to a really good credit score, 700 above, in 24 months. One thing that is always key, and we always stress with our clients, is when you go through a bankruptcy, whatever you do, make sure when you come out of the bankruptcy, you immediately, or shouldn't say immediately, 6 weeks after the bankruptcy, pull your credit report again and check to make sure that all the items that were on your credit report are now showing that they were discharged in a bankruptcy. It's very key that your credit report is correct. If you have judgments, you need to make sure that it shows those judgments have been released. And how does that happen? Well, your attorney would have need to have filed a motion to avoid lien and an order would be entered, but that's in one of our other videos. So if you want any additional information on that, feel free to check out that video and we can go into more detail about that. But credit after bankruptcy, believe it or not, happens really fast, and you get your fresh start very quickly. So just make sure that you use it correctly. And as always, if you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on our channel, feel free to shoot me an email. It is in the description below, and I'm happy to answer questions.